Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this ZTE. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down. Then click on Features section. Now you need to tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Now you can click on one of those options, small window or half screen, and then follow all of those instructions. As you can see, I have trick navigation, so I have to follow all of those. Hold the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. In order to go back, you can click over here or swipe up. You can also click on a small window instead, follow all of those instructions, and access one-handed mode as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!